This is the MD100 metal detector for ferromagnetic objects with a double flux gate in the sensor rod, which can detect metals, ferromagnetic objects, to a depth up to 2.5–3 meters. You have a display where you can see the signal strength indicated by a number and a graph, the settings you can do. We have a speaker which gives out an audio signal, and we have the battery compartment which you can open with a small coin, and here we have the batteries inside. You can exchange easily standard AA battery cells. We have the carry bag which contains the device with a cushion, and the battery spare compartment for exchanging the batteries when they are empty in the field. On the back of the bag you have compartment for the instruction manual. Of course, if you watch this video you don't need to take the manual anymore. Everything is contained in the video. Now we see the display of the MD100 and the functions of the different keys. We have here the calibration arrow down button, the confirmation button, the on-off button, and arrow up. To switch the device on, you simply press short on this key and the device will start with the start screen, and after a few seconds you're directly in the measurement mode. And in the sensitivity menu, now you could increase the sensitivity directly by pressing the arrow up button, or decrease with the arrow down button. The same applies for the volume. To increase the speaker volume, you confirm on the volume menu, and with the arrow up and down you can increase and decrease the volume. And the third icon here in the menu is the illumination. If you confirm on this icon, the backlight will switch on and you can operate the device in dark environments or at night time. I will leave it like this. We also see here the measurement value of the ferromagnetic objects close by. If I bring the sensor closer to a metal object, you will see it increases by intensity. Also down here we have the bar indicator of the same value of the number here. Then in the display also we have 50 Hz warning. In case we are close to a power transmitting cable, this will be switched on, and it alarms with 3 loud beeps that we are close to a power transmitting cable. For fading out metal objects, you can press and hold this calibration button. I will demonstrate it when I get close to a metal object. In this case, some iron bar in the ground on the concrete. I press and hold now this calibration button, and now I'm down at minimum sensitivity, and only if I get closer to the object or have objects which are of greater metal mass, they will be still indicated in the device. To delete the calibration, I press and hold the button, keep on pressing until it beeps 3 times. Now you see the calibration icon is crossed and I'm back at full sensitivity, and I get all the metal objects which are in the ground. To switch the display for operating the MD100 in a upward position, not in the swing mode, but we call it the pinpointing mode to really get the precise location of the buried object. You can press and hold the calibration button first, and then the same time the on-off button, and the display will be 180 degree turned. And to turn it again, press and hold, and the display is back at its normal position, and you can do the swing mode again.